Hi, I'm Terry from Arcan. This is our demo series and we're going to talk about the propane system here. So here's your bottle cover right there. Just comes off really easy. This unit's equipped with two 20-pound propane tanks. To remove your propane tanks to get them refilled, it's very easy. You just loosen off this T here. No tools required. You just remove the fitting, and to put it back on, hand tight. This here is your auto changeover regulator. Now on this regulator here, you're gonna have a little window. That window is gonna show you when your bottle's empty. If we switch over to this bottle here, now we're drawing from this tank on this side, and when I turn it on, you're gonna see that window go clear, and that indicates that the system is pressurized up. The propane system, this is used for many of your appliances, your hot water tank. It's also used for your furnace, and it's used for the refrigerator. If you don't have power, you can run the fridge on propane, as well as your stove and oven. Now, with propane, obviously it can be dangerous, but it isn't anything to be scared of. It has an odorant in it, so if you smell it, you definitely would want to turn your tanks off. There's a couple quick tricks to indicating a leak. If you mix some dish soap with water, you can actually spray it on these fittings and it would bubble. So if there's a leak, it would actually start to bubble, and you'd indicate where your leak was coming from and get it in to get repaired. So one of the things I recommend is getting the system checked for leaks annually. We in the service department can check the system's pressure for proper operating pressure, and we also can check the system for leaks. We use a manometer to do a drop-down test, and it would indicate if there's any leaks in the system. Although you can smell it, it's not always apparent. If you have a small leak, that you'd smell it right away. That's it in a nutshell for our propane system. If you have any other questions, please feel free to drop by one of our many locations or give us a call, and we'd be happy to answer any of your questions here at Arcan. Thank you.